Hey guys, LechK here, part 2 of the WAVLINK router install setup. In this video, I want to show you guys actually the strength this puts out outside compared to my regular indoor Wi-Fi, and what strength it's going to give me in my backyard, you know, with it being extended outdoors now. Let me show you. Okay, we're in the house connected to the regular network. Let's test our speed in here using that. So there we go, more than enough, right? Let's go outside. So the main thing, I wanted to have better Wi-Fi by my sauna and by my forge over there. And the house is over here, right? So let's test it like right here, hanging out next to the sauna. Come closer because we barely have anything. Let's go on the back deck, for example. So now we're just on the outside deck of the house. The one thing I also need Wi-Fi out here for, just did a TV setup, so I want to go strong connection here, so that's why we got the external router. So check out video how to install that. But yeah, as you guys can see, the second you go outside the house, it's just way too weak. You gotta switch to data. But now with this external router, hopefully will be a lot better, which we're gonna test next. Yeah, exactly. All right, let's switch the Wi-Fi to the WAVLINK. Okay, let's run it over here on the porch. So now it's looking like it's literally what's inside the house. After I finish this, I'm gonna go out there more, see what we got over there. And the router, as you guys can see, it's just laying on my deck right now. I didn't even fully set it up yet. But yeah, great numbers, more than enough, honestly. Let's move over here by the forge area, the farthest part of my backyard. Sauna should be fine. I want to see what it looks like when we're in here. Actually inside it too. Alright. So now let's run the test from here. House, forge. Wow, no difference really. That's amazing. I don't know why it took me a year to finally put this up, because I did buy the router extended about a year ago, just never had a chance to get it set up. And as you guys can see, the setup was pretty simple. So yeah, what, 10 megabytes less than by my house? That's nothing. Anything over 100 is a win. So yeah guys, it works. Let's just gotta mount it on my side of my house and we're good to go. So for mounting these, usually see people, you know, put it on a pole somewhere high up in your house and stuff like that. I mean, this thing was working perfectly off the floor, so I don't need all that. And I just have a small backyard, not a giant property, which these are really designed for. So I can actually put it back where I installed it over there and run a shorter cable. But for now, I'm just gonna literally mount it right here on my deck with these included bolt spots here, a couple of screws. I'm just gonna hang it right on. Give it a little push down to lock it into place, and that's it. This is not going anywhere. So that's it, fully installed. I've got high-speed Wi-Fi in my backyard now.